We are really excited to announce that in June 2020 we are going to be arranging a missions trip to northern Spain, an area called Asturias. It's going to be a fantastic 6 days there, spending time with a church there who are actually planting churches, and we're going to be doing some children's ministry there and lots of other things as well to get involved with as well. It's going to be a fantastic week. Hopefully the weather will be a little bit warmer than it is here, and it really will be a fantastic experience. Now, numbers are limited, but if you're interested in coming on that trip, which will be from the 19th to the 26th of June, then you can pick up an application pack from the welcome desk, or you can sign up online and we will send you an application pack too. But we really hope to take a fantastic team and have a brilliant time in Spain next June, sharing about Jesus with the people of Spain.
Got kids who come along to KidsShape or to GeForce, then we invite them to join us for our kids Christmas party, which is taking place on the 21st of December. That's a Saturday, and it's going to start at 11 a.m. You can pick up a letter and give us your details, or you can sign up on Exchange or the website as well. Please make sure you do those so we can know what McDonald's to order them, and there's going to be games and fun, and there's going to be a visit from Santa as well. So please sign your children up and get them along to our Christmas party. If you give regularly here at Excel Church, then why not consider setting up a standing order? Just means the money goes straight from your bank into ours, and it helps us to budget a little bit more efficiently. And also, if you're a UK taxpayer and you haven't signed up for Gift Aid yet, then please consider doing it. All it does is it means that we get to claim an extra 25 pence for every pound that you give, and it doesn't cost you a penny. So go to the welcome team and they'll give you a standing order or Gift Aid form so that you can sign up for those.
Hail the heaven-born Prince of...
Christmas is coming up and it will be here soon at Excel Church, so grab yourself your flyers, which have got all of the details of what's going on here, also about Santa's Grotto, which is going to be opening from the 9th to the 18th of December. So if you know any children, invite them to come along and see Santa. It is magical, and we would like to get as many people through the door as possible. And then on the 22nd of December, that's a Sunday, we've got Are You Being Served? So that's our Christmas special where children and people from all different departments across the church are taking part. It's going to run twice in the morning. The service times are different, so make sure you please check them, and there will be no 6 p.m. service that day. And then on Christmas Eve, we've got our Christmas Fest, which we're really excited about. There's going to be a carousel, there's going to be roasting chestnuts, there's going to be candy floss and all kinds of other fun stuff. Make sure you get here, and that's going to be rounded off by a short carols by candlelight service. So come along, get yourself your Christmas at Excel flyers today.
Hail the heaven-born...
We'd love you to be a part of our Christmas family outreach appeal this Christmas at Excel Church, because there's loads of families in and around that Bilston area who are not so fortunate as we are. So why not bring along some of the items that are listed on our website? Go to excelchurch.org.uk/Christmas appeal and bring in things like tinned foods, kids' pyjamas, brand new toys that can be given at Christmas, clothes, toiletries, household cleaning things. Anything you see on that list, please bring them in, and let's give to our community this Christmas.
Born to give them second birth. Hark the herald angels.
That's it for Excel News. Remember, you can keep an eye on our website for more details of anything that is going on here, or you can speak to one of our lovely welcome team as well. Hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more Excel News.